How are you? Hi, how are you all? Today I wrote a beautiful story and it is a horror story. And who are lower than 12 years old can see the story. Who are above 12 can see the horror stories and they are welcome to see our horror stories. Thank you. Now we will I will say what is the name of the story. The name of the story is The Diamond House 1. There is so many episodes for it. There is from I wrote 4 episodes. Today I will read the fifth episode, okay, and it is 10 episodes, okay, and every day I will record a story and I will put it on YouTube. Okay, and don't forget to subscribe and like and share and press on the bell. Okay, now we will start. Bismillah. Once upon a time there was a small girl and a small boy. And the girl her name is Valandora, and her brother, his name is Peter. She was having a brother, his name is Peter. All of you knows, I said now. But their father and mother was in the jail because their father was a thief and their mother killed so many kids and children. Oh my gosh, she killed so many children. Maybe her kids, she would kill them also. Oh my god. Okay. And their children was living in a diamond house. Means a quarantined house. See, quarantined house is not here. Okay. Means a scary house. Okay. All of you knows what means scary house. Okay. And they were so sad because their family was in the jail and there was no light and electricity. Oh my god, there is no light and electricity. That means that they are sitting in uh like dark. They are sitting in the house dark. Okay, that means that there is no light, there is no bulb, there is no anything, there is no television, there is no anything opened with the electricity. And they were so scared from this diamond house, and they slept with each other in one room. And then someone knocked at the window, and Valandora waked up. Who was knocking at the window? We don't know. You'll see. And she waked up, and she was so scared, and she said, I will go." At night, 3 o'clock, and at night 3 o'clock means that she said, "Who came at night 3 o'clock? I don't know who came at at night 3 o'clock. All of the people have to sleep now. It's 3 o'clock night." And then and then uh, and she went to open the curtain and see who is this, and she also who is was knocking. It was not knocking at the door. It was knocking at the this curtain. You know it, okay? And see who is this. She saw a hand shadow, and it went down, and there was so many blood on the floor. Oh my gosh, there was so many blood, and she was so scared. And she said, "What is this blood?" And she said, "I will go and wake up my brother." And she said, "What is this blood? What is this blood?" And she was so scared. And she said, "I will go and wake up my brother." And she said, "What is this blood?" And she said, "I will go and wake up my brother." And she said to him, "Wake up, Peter, wake up, Peter, wake up." And her brother said to her, "What is happening, Valandora? Why are you screaming like this? What happened?" She said to him, "I saw a hand shadow on the floor, and it went down, and I saw so many blood on the floor." And he said, "Valandora, you are imagining. Sleep now and nothing will happen. Don't be scared. Maybe you was dreaming." And she said, "No, no, I saw it real. I was not dreaming." And he said to her, "Sleep now and nothing will happen." And she said, "Okay." And then she slept again 10 minutes ago, and then someone whispered in Peter's ears. What means whispered? Means say like this. Pss, pss, pss. You know what means, okay? Okay. someone whispered in Peter's ears. Okay, who is this who whispered in Peter's ears? We don't know, we will see. Okay, and someone said, Peter, calm now. Come with me, Peter. He waked up without opening his eyes, and he was walking, and someone is saying to him, come from here. And then Pandora woke up, and she said, Peter, where are you? And she was so scared that what happened with her will happen with Peter also, and she searched for him everywhere without light. And when she was searching for her brother, and all the lights that is in the house opened, and she said, what is this? Who opened the light? She was so scared, and the light closed again, and all the lights blocked, and then the light opened, but without the lights. How the light opened, and all the lights was broken. That means all of you will understand you. Means she was so scared that the light opened and there is no electricity. How did it open? And then the light closed again, and then it opened, and then when it opened, it broke. When it broke, it opened. How did it open and the light was broken? Oh my gosh. This is the end of the story, and tomorrow I will upload on the YouTube the second episode, and it is so like, oh my gosh, how did it open and it's broken? Oh my gosh. In the story. The end of the story. This story was edited by Aisha Muhammad Farag and written by Malak Muhammad Farag. Don't forget to subscribe and like and share and press on the bell. Bye bye. I love you.